What's up, y'all? Back with another delicious, easy recipe, and today we're gonna be making yam marshmallow balls. The question of the hour is it yams or is it sweet potatoes? I usually think sweet potatoes are the white ones. Yams are usually the orange ones. So that's what we're going with today. Drop a comment below, let me know if I'm correct, if I'm wrong. Yam, sweet potato, which is which, what is what, let me know. Back to the recipe. We're gonna be making these delicious yam, sweet potato, yam marshmallow balls. Super delicious, super easy. Let's get started. And there we have it, these delicious yam marshmallow balls. And now to my favorite part, the eating. My God. Don't burn your mouth like me. Ooh. It's got crunch, it's got just a little bit of sweetness, it's soft, it's delicious. It's perfect and you have to make it. Let me know what you think. And the recipe link is in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming up soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.